Let's see the next set. A delegation of 6 people comprising of 4 men and 2 women is to be selected subject to the following conditions. Alright. Let's see the questions. Which of the following group of delegates is possible if the delegation is selected irrespective of the gender of the person, and which of the following is/are the possible groups? How many groups including Neil are possible that include Roger and Usha but does not include Tyson? How many groups including both Serena and Ali are possible that do not include Jordan? Great, let's get started. So there are 6 people comprising of 4 men and 2 women. Let's look at the conditions. I'm quickly looking at the last line. It is known that Serena, Kalpana, Usha, Saina, and Heather are women. So there are 5 women. Whereas Neil, Milka, Roger, Jordan, Tyson, and Ali are men. So 6 men. Out of 6 men, we need to select 4 men. Out of 5 women, we need to select 2. The additional information says that Serena and Neil are always together. Okay. Jordan does not go if both Roger and Heather are in the delegation. So Jordan will not go if Roger and Heather are in the delegation. Milka and Tyson are never part of the delegation at the same time. So Milka and Tyson are not together. If Roger and Milka both are in the delegation, then Usha is not in the delegation. So Usha will not go if Roger and Milka are a part of the delegation. If both Serena and Ali are part of the delegation, Serena and Ali, which also means Neil now, looking at the first one, then Milka also has to be with them. Okay. If Saina is in the delegation, then Kalpana is not. Great. We have a couple of conditions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 conditions with us. Let's get started. Which of the following group of delegates is possible? We'll have to go one by one. So let's see. The first one says Serena, so which means that Neil has to be there. It says the other statement for Serena was that if Ali is there, then Milka has to be there. But Ali is not there, so that condition won't be applicable over here. Let's quickly check any statements on Jordan. Jordan does not go if both Roger and Heather are there. Roger is also there, Heather is also there. So this is eliminated. Second one, Serena is there, Neil is there, Ali is there. So Milka also has to be there, satisfying everything. Usha. Any condition on Usha? Yeah. If Roger and Milka are both in the delegation, then Usha is not in the delegation. So Milka is there. Is Roger there? No. So Usha can be over here. Anything on Tyson? Yeah, we know that Milka and Tyson are never a part of the delegation together. So this is again eliminated. Third one, Neil is there, Serena is there, Ali is there, Milka is there. So this is Usha and Roger now. So Tyson is not a part of this, which is good. And the statement on Usha was if Roger and Milka are both there, then Usha cannot be a part. So Milka is already there. We know Roger is also there. So Usha cannot be a part of this. So this one is eliminated. So option number 4. Just for our quick check. Serena is there, Ali is there. Sorry, Neil is there, Ali is there. Hence Milka has to be there. Okay. Jordan. Jordan does not go if both Roger and Heather are there. But right now we don't have Roger, we just have Heather. Hence, this is satisfying all the given conditions. Now, second one. If the delegation is selected irrespective of the gender of the person, then which of the following is or are the possible groups? Okay. So this means that it could be any number of men or any number of women in the group. Let's check. Serena, Neil. Now, if Kalpana goes, then Saina does not have to go. So, okay, Saina is not there. Usha, which means Roger and Milka cannot be a part. Correct, satisfying. Heather, no statements on Heather. Only Jordan can't go if Heather and Roger are apart. And Tyson is here, so Milka can't be here. Yeah, it satisfies. Second one, Serena, Neil, Ali, so Milkha. Quickly, let's check. Tyson is not here, which is all right. Now, the next one was Roger. So, anything on Roger? If Roger and Milkha are both there, so Usha can't be here. Again, that's okay. Usha is not here. And Heather. So, Jordan does not go if Roger and Heather are there. And yes, Jordan is not a part. So, this is also correct. Third one, we have Tyson. So, Milkha can't be here. We have Saina. So, we can't have Kalpana. Now we have Jordan. Let's quickly check if Roger and Heather both are there. Only Heather is there. Jordan can go. Ali. Yeah, no statements on Ali. Only if Serena is there, then Milkha has to be there. So it's okay, Ali can be here. And for Usha, Roger and Milkha need not be there, which is correct. Again, this satisfies. So all of the above. Now, third one, how many groups including Neil are possible that include Roger and Usha but does not include Tyson? Okay. So if I have to place Neil, then I'll have to place Serena. Serena is female, Neil is male. We have to include Roger. We have to include Usha. Okay, so both the females are done. The remaining two places have to be for males. And who are the males remaining with us? Neil, Roger is done. There were 6. Ali, Milkha, Jordan, Tyson. Correct? Yeah, these 4. But we cannot include Tyson. So Tyson is eliminated. Now, amongst the males, if I place Ali over here, then I'll have to place Milkha, right? Let's quickly check if it's contradicting anything or not. Roger is already here, so if I place Milkha, then Usha cannot be a part. So this combo is eliminated. So I can either place Ali or Milkha, but not both. So let's try with Ali and Jordan. Jordan does not go if both Roger and Heather are there. So Heather is not there, hence Jordan can go. Then the next one is okay, there are no conditions on this, which is great. But then if Serena is there and Ali is there, then I'll have to place Milkha, hence I cannot place Ali at all. So Ali is also gone. Let's see if we can do M and J together or not. That is Milkha and Jordan. Milkha and Tyson are not there, which is great. Roger and Milkha both are there. So then Usha cannot be a part, which means that due to some reason or the other, we cannot place any of the other men over here. Hence 0. Now, how many groups including both Serena and Ali are possible that do not include Jordan? 4, 5, 6. Serena, Ali. Putting Neil and Milkha over here. That do not include Jordan. So the remaining boys are Jordan, Tyson, and Roger. We know Jordan can't go. We know Tyson also can't go because Tyson and Milkha cannot be together. So I'll have to place Roger over here, which means leaves a spot for 1 female. And let me just check if it's satisfying all the given conditions or not. Jordan is not going anyway, so this one no need. Milkha and Tyson are not together. Roger and Milkha are going, so Usha can't be over here. Serena and Ali are there, so Milkha is there. Saina is there, then Kalpana cannot be here, which is fine. So for the female, we just have Saina, Kalpana, and Heather. Jordan is anyway not going. So we have 3 possibilities for the female, hence option number 2. Let's check our answers. 4, 4, 1 and 2. 4, 4, 1, and 2. Correct? I think a medium kind of sum. But thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.